What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are putting some cases on our new phones. Now the last 2 days we've looked at the Galaxy S9 and the Galaxy Note 9 and we're gonna slap some OtterBox cases on it. Now I have not had phone insurance on my phone since I had the Note 2 and that's because I started using the OtterBox, and ever since then I've never needed insurance, I've never broken a phone, and I've dropped them a million times, but OtterBox always comes in to save the day. So these are the certified frustration-free packaging. Oh yeah, well that was free of frustration for sure. Okay, so I got the standard black for my phone, which is the Note 9, and then I've got they call this the purple Nebula for the S9. Okay, now one thing that's different in the newer models for the Galaxy is that they do not have a screen protector built onto them because they are curved. I guess instead of trying to figure out a really good solution for that, they just decided to leave it off. So you don't get a screen protector with it, you don't get one built onto it, so I would highly suggest getting a screen protector, preferably one of those Gorilla Glass ones, because that'll just double up on the Gorilla Glass for your phone. Most people are turned off at the OtterBox because of their sheer bulkiness, but I gotta say, I have yet to find a case that protects my phones as much as an OtterBox has. The only downside that I've ever had is the clip. Almost every one that I've bought breaks, but OtterBox is super awesome with their warranty. If that happens, OtterBox will send you another one, sometimes just send you a whole new case altogether if the clip breaks, and it's very simple to do, very, very convenient. OtterBox is an awesome company. For now, I'm not gonna be using these, but they can second as a stand. If you open it till it clicks, you can see it does that number, so now you can actually use it as a stand, which is great. But let's go ahead and slap the S9 in. Now, as a veteran of OtterBoxes, it is highly suggested to not remove the cases over and over and over. Eventually they will get worn down, the rubber will kind of lose its integrity, and then it'll kind of hang a little bit, and it just won't be on there as tightly, but it's rubber. It's just bound to happen over time anyway. This is the Defender series. They do have other versions like the Commuter series, which is a little less of a case, but still very, very tough. The Defender series it has the inner hard shell with a padded back and then a very heavy duty thick rubber outer casing. Now also this one for the S9, you can actually get it in multiple different colors, such as like orange and camo. There's a few other colors, definitely check that out in the link. Okay, bam. On the edges you can see that there are arrows. There are arrows on all of them, and those are the clips. Once you have the inner shell put together, you put the outer shell on around it and you just wrap it around. There we go. Look at that. That's very clean. That is nice. And it still has that purple. You can see the purple of the back of the phone kind of shine through there. Looks really clean. You can see the curves right here. It keeps your phone from actually touching any surface that you may set it on. Well, flat surface. But there you go. Very, very slick, very nice looking. Now, the monster. OtterBoxes, the price tags are completely worth it. Think about it. I am spending about 50 bucks. This one is about 50 bucks. This one is actually on sale right now for about $23. So if you have an S9, check out the link down below right now. Go to it and grab one of these as soon as possible. You will not regret it. But yeah, so this one being like $50 is $50 to protect a $1,000 investment. Sounds like a good idea to me. There we go, outer shell is on. And you just slap this in here. There we go. Look at that. Now it's a beast. Now it's a much larger phone. You got a perfect cutout for the cameras, the flash, and the fingerprint reader. It's got a nice little slope, just enough to where you can get your finger in there. All the cutouts on the bottom are perfect. You can get your S Pen in and out very easily. All the ports have a nice thick rubber protective shield over it. And these are gonna protect you from all kinds of debris and dust. Over time, you will wanna open it up and clean it out a little bit because pocket dust and stuff like that does get in these. But overall, these phones are definitely well protected. I literally just bought these and I have no concern about dropping these. And I totally forgot, the case is super easy to use. You just set it down in the slot and then you click. You can turn the back all you want. Use it as a stand. So you can actually turn it around and use it like this. Just like that. But there you go. It's a big beastly of a phone, but it is all sorts of protected, and they look super clean. That purple did come out really nice. Look at that. I cannot suggest OtterBox cases enough. Like I said, I've been using them forever, and I'm never gonna stop using them unless something way better comes out. Anyway, guys, that is it. Again, I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.